editor. Get started a virtual machine. Okay, so when you open a VA editor, VA is file name. For example, file name is file1. A window will open. You have to press I to go to insert mode. You want to edit anything, you have to press I. So once you press I, edit, what are the things you want to do it, just complete it and escape to go back to command mode. Go back to command mode. Of course, V is also there, that is visual mode, that is different point, but it is I means insert mode, escape means go to command mode. To save and exit, you have to put a colon, W. This is for a save and quit. W for save, Q for quit. You want quit only. You want quit only, then you can press Q. Okay. After these options are not only these options. Okay, not only these options and other so many options are there because this VA editor is more powerful than a normal editor. Okay, so normal editors. Okay, so what are the things are there? We'll see. So yeah, student 17A or root, which one you want it, you can log in. I'm logging as a root because I want to show you something today, a little different from earlier. That is IP address. Okay. So here GG, capital G. Okay. So this is GG, capital G is there. We know small I. So what about capital A? I. Small a, capital A. One second. One second. Ah. And that's why I don't want. Okay, these are all options are there, so we'll see that one. So we log in as a root. Very good. So we don't require a root part here. Just I want to know what is my IP address. So I want to connect with the putty. How to check IP address? If config. Very good. Look at this. My IP address. This is my local. That is last class we set it up, and this IP address is changed. Actually, sorry, up to last class, my ENS33 IP address is 192.168.2.246. That is my IP address earlier. Okay, so because of when in my Pune room, so that network is 192.168.2. network. So I got automatically from DHCP server, I got a 192.168.2.246. Now what happened? It got changed. Why it is changed to like this? Because of I came to Hyderabad in my sister's home. This network is router is giving IP address given by my DHCP server router. So obviously this is my IP address. IP address is changed. But this IP address is not changed because it's a manually I configured first one. Second one it is connected to VMnet 1. Okay, host only type. This host only type of network. Okay, this is today I will work with this one only because yesterday also we done that one. So I'm searching for a putty application. This is originally we are used like this. This is the last time one. sorry. Directly I'm typing IP address. Second one, I'm trying to connect with the second one. Okay, because my VMnet 1 is 101. This is 100. So I'll try to open. If any problem is occur, no problem. If it is showing like this, no problem. So I log in as a student 17A. Password also same thing. Change settings, appearance, change. So put a 20 or 22, whatever it is. So see, now it is look good. Resize your window. So then it is good. Okay. I'm in a student 17A. Here I will practice anything. Just check it. What are the files are there in my system? So you can try. Okay. So already G file 1 is there. So cat G file 1. So this is the entirely text. But it is what happened? Guys, can you able to see the screen clearly? Or
Yes,
can I
sir.
change the colors?
It's clear, sir.
Okay, then good. So G file 1, VA editor, G file 1. Now this is your G files. Totally 6 lines are there. Okay, so which line you want to go, that line you can go. So I want to edit some line. Okay, want to edit some line. So I have to press, go to that line, location. Okay, go to that particular location, press I. Then what happened? I just press I. My cursor is at D. I'm typing something. I will show you again. My cursor is at D. And I press I. And I'm typing something. I didn't do anything. I'm in insert mode. I'm pressing something. See? Before my cursor, my cursor is already at D. I press I. Before the cursor, this is text is typing. That is press I insert mode. Press I insert mode. So what is this? Insert mode. And cursor. So what is a small a? Small a. Look at my cursor is on D. I'm pressing small a. What happened? The cursor is shifted to E. Again, look at here. I press small a. Cursor is shifted to E. Then I'm typing something. So where it is typed? After D. After D, before cursor. Anything, it will cursor. Okay, so very simple. Just if you try 1 or 2 times, you'll understand. Insert next to the cursor. Okay, so cursor is shifted to next line. What is this capital? Okay, so my cursor is at D. I press capital I, shift I. Where is the cursor? Again, look at this. My cursor at B1. 1. Cursor is at B1. I press shift I. Where is it? Insert mode.
On first place.
Very good. Where is the cursor went? Start of the line. Okay. It is insert mode only. It is insert, but start of the line. Okay, line starting. So it is go to insert mode, but not at cursor at the start of the line. Again, escape. This time cursor is at D, capital A, capital A. So where this is cursor, cursor went to end of the line,
End of the line.
and it is insert mode. Same thing you can try. B1, B, capital A, end of the line and insert mode. So capital A is a insert mode, but end of the line. Okay, small I, small a, just insert on cursor or next letter, next cursor, next line, next part it will go. This is start of the line. This is end of the line. What is this capital G and all? So we'll see that one also. We already written. So then we'll see what it is. Okay. So look at my cursor is at B17. Okay. So I put a GG, small GG. Where the cursor went? Start of the line, starting.
Start of
Here it is.
paragraph.
Okay. Again, I am at here 70s. Again, small GG 2 times. Start of the page. Okay. Next, capital G. Capital G means shift G. End line. Okay. End of file. Okay. Last line in the file. Okay. Last line. This corner it is came. You can go any place. I am going to formally and put a capital Z. See, cursor came to here. So what is GG? Part of the file. File starting first line start of the line. It is end line of file. Of course, start of the line, but end of the file. End line of the file. Start of the file. So starting position. Not insert mode. That is not a insert mode. Next O, capital O. We'll see what is O, capital O. O and capital O is also insert mode kind of stuff only. Okay. So we'll see. So escape. So I am at B17. B17. I'm pressing small O. Small O. Automatically new line is created here. See. New line is created and it is insert mode. You can try again. Okay. So I am at formally. Okay. Small O. So the new line is created automatically. Okay. Okay. Next is a capital O. What is capital O? Above the line. Above. This is the current line and this is the above this line. And it is a insert mode. Okay. Sorry. You can go to this line. Last line. I'm in a Windows 10 Win. Okay. Capital O. So what happened? Above the line. Insert mode. And it is above the line. New line is created. Like that. Okay. U. Escape. U means undo. U means undo. Undo. This is also not insert mode. It is undo. U means undo. So small 0 means it is an insert mode and it create a new line. It create new line next to the cursor line. Next to the cursor line. Okay, it creates new line. Insert mode, create a new line next to the cursor line, means next line. Okay, capital O also insert mode. It create new line above to the cursor line. Okay, this is small I, small a, small o, capital O. Small I, sorry, capital I, capital A. Oh, this is things you have to remember easily. Remember, I is but start of the line, capital I, end of the line, capital A, small o, below line, capital O, above line. But it is create a new line also. So this is you can remember. Again, if you put a small a, little confusion is there. We'll see that one also. Can do it. Okay. There are a lot of things also there. For example, I want to copy this line, or I want to copy this line. Sorry, I want to copy this line. Okay, and paste it here. So we'll see that one how to copy. Take the cursor to that line. Press YY 2 times. YY. Okay, now I copied that line. Now I want to paste here. P. See it is next line. It is pasted. I want to paste here. So it is pasted. I'm pressing U to undo kind of stuff. YY meaning is yank. It is like a copy. Like a control C we do it, right? So like a copy. Next white. Next is P2 paste. Paste is paste only. Okay, YY to copy, P2 paste. So I2 copy, P2 paste. For example, I want to copy 2 lines, means cursor line and next line. Cursor line and next line. So like that, 2 lines we can be able to copy. Meaning is current cursor line and next line. That is 2YY. P is one time only. P is 1. For example, I want to copy these 2 lines, CTS and in 70s B17. So I want to copy these 2 lines. Number 2 YY, meaning is these 2 lines are copied. Now I want to paste here. So I paste it. Guys, never put a P like that, because 2 lines are there. It will copy like this. See, it copy like this, paste like this. So don't use like that. When you want to copy, just go to the end of the line again like this. Like this only, you have to do it. Again, I done a mistake. So, okay. So this is copy paste. Get here. So you want to copy 3 lines. For example, 70s CTS, in 70s B17. So I want to copy these 3 lines. Number 3 YY. Okay, 3 lines yanked. Paste here and go down. Paste. Go down. Paste. Go down. Paste. So this is copy paste. Guys, understand how to copy? Number of lines.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next one is DD. DD is it to delete lines. DD is used to delete lines. So first of all, I will copy and delete. Okay. So YY copy, P2 paste like this. Okay. I pasted multiple times for practice. Delete. I want to delete this particular line. So look at here. DD. The line is deleted. I want to delete these 3 lines. 3 lines I want to delete. So I go to like this line, this line, this line I want to delete, right? So I went to my cursor like this. This is my cursor line. Number 3, DD. Okay, like this. Number 3, DD. 3 lines you can able to delete it. So DD means it delete line, delete cursor line. Number 3, DD, for example, to delete 3 lines. 3 lines. It delete 3 lines. What are the lines? Cursor line and next lines. Next 2 lines actually. Okay, so meaning is cursor line and next 2 lines will be deleted. So DD, delete lines, 3DD, delete your current line and next 2 lines means totally 3 lines it will be deleted. Guys understand DD?
Yes.
Now DW.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, if we want to delete more than 3, 4, 5 lines, so
Tell me how many lines you want to delete. There is a 6
me,
lines are
so
there.
that time we have to calculate all line and then we have to put on DD like 6 lines, so 6 DD like.
Correct. I'm going with the 5 lines. Okay. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines I want to delete. 5. Delete. Okay.
Okay, okay,
How to come back? U. Press U. Undo. Okay. For practice, what you will guys will do. So count some 4 lines or 5 lines or 3 lines also okay. No problem. Just I take a 4 lines here. 4 YY. Then go down. Paste. Again go down. Paste. Now you can practice more lines to delete. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 lines I want to delete, or maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 lines will I want to delete. Number 6, DD, like that. You want to delete only one line, just simply DD, DD. That's it. So make sure that what is the 4, 5 lines created, remaining is copy, paste, and modify. Okay. Very good. DW, delete word, delete word. I want to delete this 70s word. DW. Okay, I deleted that particular word DW. I want to delete two words like 70s and Pune. Both I want to delete. To DW. To DW. I want to delete this B17 Linux classes. Three I want to delete. Number 3 DW. Like this. You can able to delete it. 4 lines, 4 words, 5 words, like that. You can able to delete it. DW is delete word. Your cursor word only. Where you are put your cursor word. To DW. Meaning is you delete 2 words. One next word. Okay, same thing goes for a 3W, 4W, like that. Just for understanding, I'm writing like this. Normally, as a syntax, I have to put a NDD. The n lines will be deleted, n dw, n words will be deleted, like that it will be there. You can also calculate like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For example, I put like this, what will happen? 7 dw. Okay, so the next line words also deleted. Next line words also deleted. See, look at road. Okay, up to here it is deleted. So be careful when you are giving dw. So compulsory count number of words you want to delete it. So it is deleted this line up to here and as well as this line thing only. Okay, 7 words deleted. You guys understand dw?
Yes, sir.
So this is my cursor. My cursor is at 1. My cursor is at 1. I'm putting D dollar. Or I can go to vendor. My cursor is at D. My cursor is at D in vendor. D dollar. So what happened? Press D. Oh, no. Press D dollar. Okay. End of the line deleted. From cursor to end of the line, it is deleted. What is it? D dollar. Meaning is from cursor to end of the line delete. Okay. No other kind of stuff. It is very simple. This is up to deleting part. Of course, there is a few more things are there. So like this X, I like this letter wise is also there. Small x, capital X, smaller, capital R is also there. My cursor is at A. Sav on T's and my cursor is at A. I'm using small x. What is going on here? It's deleting next to the cursor. What are the cursor next? It is deleting, and now it is deleting. What are the cursor right side part? It's deleting now. Enter line is deleted. So what is? Okay. So what it is doing? I'm pressing small x. Delete. Next means first the right side of cursor line, the cursor, and then it shifted to
Left side.
left side. But important is that word is deleted. Like A is deleted or not? First of all, yes, A is deleted. Cursor and the next is deleted. Now it is deleting left side like this. Show you what is the equivalent word for this one. Okay. So usually you do mistakes. We use delete button or backspace button. So we'll see this is the delete button. I'm pressing delete button. Okay, I'm pressing delete button. Okay, it is function like a delete button. Okay, delete cursor and right side of the cursor and left side of the cursor, and once completed, then it is So only in a same line. It's like a del button. X. It's like a backspace type. We'll see that one. So this is my in a 70 same thing. Backspace with capital X. Only left side one. First left. Okay. Again go back. First of all, look at, is it deleting that A or not? Capital X, yes. A is not deleting. Deleting what are the text before cursor, it is deleting. The same line. Okay. It is like a backspace only, but little different. Delete. Front of. This actually like a backspace, but little different. So because of like a backspace, but look at here. I am pressing backspace. Nothing is changing. Okay. So you have to do it like a insert mode. Then backspace will work. But it is doing a complete insert mode backspacing. Backspace. Okay. Or replace. Okay. It is a replace a character. One character only. You can replace a character. Okay. For example, I want to replace this B17 to C17. So I took a cursor at B, small r, then capital C. See, it is not even a C, insert mode. It is. You can type anything later, nothing. Only one time replacement. Okay. One time replacement. Only one word, one letter. So NW is there. I put a NT instead of W. I put a T. Small r, press T. It's not even a insert mode. If you press anything, nothing, no difference, nothing. So once it is done, it is automatically exit. It replaces a character. This is it replace from cursor to end of the line. Okay, so it means from cursor to end of the line we can able to change it. For example, on Carve Road, Pune, the 70s is located. Okay, I'm changing from I went to the 70s. Van is there, no? So here I put a capital R. Okay, so you can see original replace. So VPA in a bottom, so you can see here replace is there. You can type from here something I'm typing. See, so from that cursor onwards, you can able to replace the text. From cursor onwards, you can replace the text. A variety. Escape view. Okay. So from cursor onwards, you can replace the text. It will be on till the escape button. Okay, end of the line. Not only end of the line, from text, from the cursor, so you can able to replace the text. So this is the thing. Maybe I missed one or two. GG, capital G, W like this, but here it is. Here one point I want to tell. Sometimes file is read only type. So user cannot save it and also cannot quit sometimes. Cannot save, cannot quit. So what to do? Q for force. Save and quit. Force. Okay. So that is quit kind of stuff is also there. For example, I edit so many things. I don't want to save anything. Just I can put a colon and Q for quitting. It is okay, no problem. So it is not throwing any error. Yeah, it is throwing an error. Why? Now you can see no write since last change. Add exclamatory to override. Okay. Q forcibly quit. Now I quit forcibly. Nothing is there. So what are the changes I made it? I don't want to save it. Just I quit from that file. That is one thing. Okay. Of course, there is a few more things are there. Either this file or different file you can practice. I have to check once again. Anything I'm missing? We don't know. Here it is. Search. Search. Replace. Both are there. So first of all, we'll check it a search kind of stuff. How to search a particular text. So we'll see. So my cursor is at here in this line, third line. My cursor is there. My cursor is in a third line. Or maybe fourth line. So okay, I take my cursor at fourth line, colon. Okay, it should be an escape, colon slash Savantis. So where the Savantis is located, it got highlighted here. Normally cursor will shift it to that particular line. Okay, cursor will shift it to that particular line. That's it. Escape. Sometimes it is got freezing like that. No problem. Colon. Sorry. Before going to that one, so I started here, start of the file, then escape colon, Cervantes, okay, slash percentage Z, okay, mine is spelling mistake. Where are the Cervantes is there? That is got highlighted, but my cursor is not shifted. My cursor is not shifted. This is one way. So again, no. Right. So my cursor is basically at a start of the file. Next, just if you use Cervantes, Okay, so automatically cursor is shifted to the where the 70 is there. Next line. Okay, like that. It is highlighting, that is good. Sometimes it won't highlight like that. So no problem. Okay, if it is highlighted, good. If not highlighted, no problem. So only thing is, remember, so where the 70 is located, where the keyword is located, cursor will shift it to that line automatically. That line automatically. So that is your searching kind of stuff. So how to search? Two ways are there. First of all, you have to put escape is common. So command mode. You have to go to command mode. Okay. And colon slash your keyword. Your keyword. Or you can use like a multiple searches kind of stuff. Keyword slash percentage Z. Like this also you can able to give. Now search and replace or replace. So in this line, sorry. In this second line means this is CTS, this is in. So this is 70 is there. In this line 70 is there. Or you can go to top, start of the page. I want to change S slash 70 as Vedic soft. I want to change 70's name to Vedic soft. So it is got highlighted, pattern not found. Spelling is correct, but pattern not found. Okay, so look at that one. So again, I take my cursor at a starting. In starting line, in a first line, 70 is not there. It is there in a third line, fourth line, fifth line kind of stuff. Okay, so look at here. Yes, slash 70's Vedic soft. Pattern not found. In a first line, pattern is not there. Where is the pattern is there? In a third line, fourth line, fifth line. Sixth line, it is a capital S. That's a little different is there. So I'm in this 70's line. 1, 2, 3, fourth line. Yes, slash 70's slash Vedic soft. Now it is in this line, 70's changed it to Vedic soft. 70's name is changed to Vedic soft, but other 70's highlighted but not changed. But not changed. This is find and replace kind of stuff. Out of that one, simple find within the line only. The meaning is it should be like this. Yes, slash whole name, whole word, or whole name, new word, or new name. So, but only thing is same cursor name. Cursor line. Okay. Now you want to change it for everyone. You want to change all 70's must become Vedic soft. The capless I can't able to do anything now, so then we'll see that one later. So percentage yes slash 70's slash Vedic soft percentage C. tiling characters. What happened? Not found. Percentage yes. Okay, 70s. 70s. Sorry. Happening. This is working. Percentage G is not working here. So, but you can see this 70s become very soft. This 70s become very soft. This 70s become very soft. It is a real search and replace type. It will search first everything and replace. One is replace with a Vedic soft. And is yes. Old word, new word means old one will be replaced with this new word. Okay, it is again replace in entire file. Place in the entire file. This is replace in same cursor line. That is the difference. Okay, guys, this is one of the thing. So these are totally 6 lines are there. So one last one I will tell about this one. Again, I am unable to recollect any other options are there. Okay, I have to check the PPTs. I want to go to third line directly. Normally, when you open VA editor, so it go to a random line or actually first line. It should go to your first line only. It should be there. Cursor go to first line generally. I want to edit a specific line. For example, I have a 50 lines are there. 50 lines you can't count, right? 50 lines you can't able to count. So it is very difficult. So this is the line like that. 50 line, but you got something document. It contains something around 100 lines are there. Now you have to edit some 70 line. What to do? You have to count one line, second line, third line, like a 70 lines you have to connect. But what you will do is so bit is simple. Put a line number. See, I put a +3 automatically on third line. My cursor is there. For a simple file, it is okay. For 10 lines, 5 lines are easy. 6 lines and 10 lines also you can easily count. 20 lines maybe little bit. Think about 100 lines are there. Out of 100 lines, 75th line you want to go. 75 times you have to count, right? Either top to bottom or bottom to top, whatever it is little button. But what is the easiest solution with VA editor? You can edit that line directly from choosing here. Use G file 1. I go to 21st line. 21st file 1, for example. Okay. Cursor. Open file 1 and a cursor at 21st. It won't go to insert mode, no insert mode. So guys, little you have to verify. Okay, so which one is insert, which is not a insert mode. Capital I, small a, small o, capital O. These are all insert mode commands. I is most common, small I is most common. Remaining is depends upon requirement, we use it. Okay. U for undo, GG start of the line, capital G end of the line. Only cursor movement only. Y by to copy, P to paste. So how many number of lines you want to copy from your cursor line to next lines? That number and by. P is only once for a pasting for one time. 10 times pasting, you have to press P for a 10 times. DD for a deleting lines, single line deletion. Multiple line deletion means the multiple name line number and DD. You delete the current cursor line and the next lines also with that particular number and DD, like a 3DD, 4DD, 2DDD, like kind of stuff. DW, delete a words. D dollar from cursor to end of the line. X, small x is like a delete button. Capital X is like a backspace. It's backs. So small x will delete the next to the cursor line. Capital X is delete the right side of the cursor line. Small r is replacement of single character. Capital R is a replacement of characters from your cursor to almost like a end of the line. Search and replace use like you can search for with a keyword, or you can search word and also replace the word using like this. Single word, single line, in single line only you want to replace, or you want to replace the things in the entire file like this. Okay, so this is about your VA editor. Guys, understand VA editor, how to do it, options and all?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, so next take a break for 10 minutes.